Configuring your website in FileZilla. This tutorial assumes you already have FileZilla running on your computer, but not connected to a remote server. Now let's learn how to configure a website in FileZilla. Select the File menu. Then select Site Manager. Click New Folder. Enter a name for the new folder here. Now let's configure a new site inside this new folder. Click New Site. Enter a name for the new site here. Enter the name of the host here. Select Normal for the logon type. Enter the username here. Enter the password here. Then click Connect. That's it! We are now connected to the remote server, and the login details are saved for quicker connections in the future. Now let's disconnect from the server. Click Server. Then click Disconnect. This is the end of the tutorial. You should now know how to configure a website in FileZilla for the purposes of establishing an FTP connection.